Our sources from the Supreme Court tell us the Supreme Court voting 8-6 grants the quo warranto case filed by Solicitor General Jose Calida ousting Chief Justice Maria Lourdes Sereno. Our two sources from the Supreme Court tell us the voting was 8-6. Those who dissented are Associate Justices Antonio Carpio, Estela Perlas Bernabe, Presbitero Velasco, Mariano del Castillo, Marvic Leonen, and Alfred Benjamin Caguiwa. Now, those who voted to grant the petition of Solicitor General ousting Chief Justice Sereno are Associate Justices Teresita de Castro, Diosdado Peralta, Francis Hardilesa, Lucas Bersamin, Noel Tiham, Samuel Martires, Andres Reyes, and Alexander Gismundo. Again, that's the information that we have. Pinky, voting 8-6. The Supreme Court grants the quo warranto case filed by Solicitor General Jose Calida ousting Chief Justice Maria Lourdes Sereno. It's the argument of Solicitor General Calida that Sereno failed to show that she's a person of proven integrity by failing to submit all her statements of assets, liabilities, and net worth to the Judicial and Bar Council when she applied for the Chief Justice post. But Sereno argued that she religiously filed her silence. It's just that she can't find all of them. So, Pinky, we understand that there will be a 11:30 briefing by the Supreme Court Public Information Office to make the announcement. Again, we're still waiting for the official announcement from the Supreme Court Public Information Office, but our two sources from the Supreme Court confirmed to us that the Supreme Court granted the quo warranto case against Chief Justice Maria Lourdes Sereno. Pinky?
That means that's the end for Chief Justice Maria Lourdes Sereno. As Chief Justice, of course, of the Supreme Court, Anja, she's been fighting this. She went back to work 2 days ago. She said she would be present in today's en-banc session. And finally, your sources, CNN Philippine sources, saying, two of them, confirming that it's a vote of 8-6 to grant the quo warranto petition filed by Solicitor General Jose Calida. Anja, what is the mood out there right now?
You know what, Pinky, when the news broke out that the court granted the quo warranto case against Chief Justice Sereno, we heard a loud cheer erupting from the anti-Sereno camp. And of course, to my left are the pro-Sereno supporters. And I'm hearing Juana Change right now very vocal about the decision of the Supreme Court, again ousting Chief Justice Sereno from her post. Pinky.
You know, Anja, there's been a lot of loose talk about this, about even the votes. I know you're a witness to that. 10-4, could have been 9-5, and now we're hearing an 8-6. People, of course, also talking about this on social media. So, you know, what they really needed, Anja, was an 8. To get her out of the position, to boot her out as Chief Justice. All they needed was a vote of 8, which, according to our sources, they got this vote of 8. Anjo